Today I'm at Lake Bastrop, Texas, and behind me is the newest mirror house in all of North America. How new, you ask? Well, put it this way, I will be the very first person to spend a night in this home. So, that new. The home was built by OOD. It's got a base price of $129,000 and it's 226 square feet. They invited me out here to take it for a test drive of sorts, to which I replied, can do. The only stipulation was that I present it in a natural way, but joke's on them because I might be the most unnatural person on YouTube. I will do my best. What I'm gonna do first is take a little trip around the outside so I can show you what we're dealing with. Then I'm gonna get settled, go to sleep, and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and handle that bird. No, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and take you through a day in the life of what it's like to live or stay in a 226 square foot mirror house. Let's do it. As I approach the OOD Signature house from the back, the first thing you're gonna notice is that one entire side does have wood cladding. This home isn't 4 full walls of mirrored glass, and I think that's a good thing. For me, I feel like that would be sensory overload, so I welcome this solid wall with the wood cladding. Now, what we've got here is, you got the Cameron Ranch logo right there. That's who hosts the stay. There's an exterior light on either side of the door, and the door itself has the mirrored glass. So I'm gonna go back this way, jump off the path. We're gonna get a look at the side deck. They've got a couple chairs there for hanging out. I just ran into a branch. You know, you can have your coffee out here before it gets warm. And there we are. So what's so cool about these mirrored homes is when they're placed in a place like this, you almost can't see them. So have a look at this. Once I get out far enough back, look at this. I told myself I wasn't going to wave on every side, but here we are. Supposed to be acting natural. I'm going to get out of the shot. Check this out. If you want to put it somewhere and not disrupt the view or not really even feel like a home is there, this is one of the few ways you can do it, because yes, there is a home sitting there. That's one side right there. That's the other edge right there. It's real, folks. It's just reflecting what's behind me. So now I think I'm gonna go inside, get settled, maybe go eat some food, and I'll check back in the morning. Night 1 of 2 in the OOD house, I slept like an angel. I got up when the sun started shining and decided to hit a workout. Couple push-ups on the deck, got warm, and then thought it might be nice to go for a swim. Before changing into my suit, I wanted to test the mirrors. You know, I've tested these mirrors in the factory before, but this will be the first time that I'm actually going to take my clothes off inside the home, so I just want to double check that it is in fact a one-way mirror. Yeah, no, I can only see myself, and that's a little too close up this early in the morning. Well, now I can see my face print on the mirror. So yeah, let's change for swimming. You know, there are 2 types of people who go swimming. Number 1, there's the toe-in person who has to get the temperature before they can jump in. And number 2, there's the just jump people. Somewhere along the line, I went from being the just jump person to the toe-in person. And I don't love that for me. There's nothing really wrong with being a toe-in person, but honestly, it's just kind of lame. And if you think it isn't, you're probably a toe-in person. One of the interesting things about the Signature house from OOD is they'll build it a couple different ways depending on the buyer's use case. So if you look over there in the trees back there, you'll notice a camp store, and that's because, yeah, this is a campsite. So they'll build the Signature house to go onto a permanent foundation, or they'll build it on a trailer for a more temporary use case, which is exactly what they've done here. How you doing? It's nice to have the option to do one or the other, and for this one, the trailer definitely makes sense because it's likely not going to be here forever. Looks pretty busy over there, a lot of people fishing. So this is about a 5-minute walk from the OOD house, and obviously the house does have a fully functioning shower. However, when given the opportunity, I do like to jump in the lake whenever possible. Should check the rules. Rule number 3, I think this applies to the boaters. It says stay hydrated. And if you read between the lines on that, I think what they're saying is don't drink 1 to 200 beer. Okay? So this guy's pulling his boat out. I wonder how his day went. A couple guys fishing out there. Any nibbles? Bad day to be a fish. Tough day to be a fish, huh? Right on. Well, I found the swimming hole and there's nothing to jump off of, so guess I'm still a towing guy. Either way, it's time to get to the home tour, so I'll get myself cleaned up and we can get on with the show. Taking the mic off. All right, I am clean. I was feeling refreshed, already getting hot again. Not a lot I can do about that, so come on in, let's check this thing out. You know, I didn't really know what to expect staying in a mirrored house with 3 full walls of windows, because a lot of times I see the advertisements and wonder if I'm gonna feel the same or have the same experience. But then today I was sitting here having coffee and there were 3 deer that were basically just standing 15, 20 feet away from the house, and I kind of got my advertisement style experience within 12 hours of being here. So that was a nice surprise. The other thing that's been really cool is just all of the natural light in this home. So like I mentioned, it is 3 full wall of windows. The one that's been tough to get used to for me is the bathroom. I've checked twice to make sure you can't see in, even though it's just trees over there. But once you get your head around it, it is really cool. You just stand there and it's like you're outside with nothing around you. I'm not a big nudist guy, so I wouldn't do that outside, but yeah, I've been enjoying it. So let's have a look around. Obviously, at this end, we have got the bed. Middle of the home, they've got this little dining table right here, which I've been using for my lunch, and I had coffee there this morning. The guy that hosts here, Garrett, has got some snacks for me, like Rice Krispie squares. I'll be getting into that. And then we move into the kitchenette. So the dimensions of the Signature house are just under 11 feet wide by almost 21 feet long, and that gets you to 221 square feet. Obviously, if you haven't noticed, this entire company is based around the glamping industry. This isn't something that most people are going to buy to live in full time. It is for stays like this where someone comes for 1, 2, 10 nights. They're on an experience, they're on a vacation, and for that, there's plenty of space for 1 or 2 people, no problem. So what I've been using over here, we have got the mini fridge under here, where you will find my pack of 4 yogurts, and that's it, because I ate my wrap. Lots of room in there for everything I've needed so far. Pots and pans down here, and then up above, we have got a drawer for cutlery. I haven't even opened this one yet, so we're gonna figure it out together. A couple different salt and pepper shakers, and some spoons. I think these are for making cakes, but I don't know. I don't know for sure. Probably cakes. Under the sink, we've got a garbage drawer as well as a spot for some cleaning supplies. Up above, glasses. The mini split up here, which kept the place plenty cool for me last night. I ran it at 65 degrees. There's a hot plate, a toaster, all the stuff you'd really need to make most of your meals, but you're not making a turkey dinner in here, okay? That's just the way it is. Let's go into the bathroom. This has been my view while I shower, and as I mentioned, I have been quite enjoying it after I wrap my head around the fact that people can't see in. So one of the things that I touched on out there was the temperature, and something I wanted to mention as well is I think the mirror on the outside reflects the sunlight off of the home, because I've noticed that it stays quite cool in here during the day. It's hot outside. I go outside for 5 seconds and I'm sweating, but as soon as I come back inside, it's nice and cool, and I don't have the AC running right now, so that's definitely noteworthy. Couple things I've noticed after being here for almost 24 hours now. Number one, there's wood on the ceiling. I don't think I've noticed that before. I was laying in bed last night and looked up and said, huh, look at that, there's wood on the ceiling. They've got tile on the floor, which is heated. That's been nice. And the biggest thing that I noticed, number two, is it's just fun being in here. So it sounds kind of stupid, but you're inside, but it kind of feels like you're outside, and it's just a unique experience that I have never had before, and I have been quite enjoying it. So who would be interested in either buying or staying at a home like this? Well, someone setting up some kind of short-term stay obviously is going to be probably the most interested. And then if you're just looking to get away for a night or two and do something unique and fun, I would recommend checking out an OOD house because it's ticking the boxes in both of those aspects. I just now realized I haven't talked about any of the storage other than the kitchen. So by the front door, they've got a pantry right there, my bag's sitting in front of it. And on the other side of this door, they have space for a dresser, which they have filled with a dresser. Now I'm gonna bring up the floor plan. It's pretty self-explanatory as a studio, but I know people like to see it, so that's what I'm going to do. Here's a look at the floor plan, and as you already saw, it is a studio. I do need to update the pricing because I mentioned that this home was starting at $129,000. However, since it is the Park Model RV, the base price on this one is $139,000, and the base price for the modular version is $129,000. There, we're all straight. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. Okay then, that is it for me here at Lake Bastrop checking out the OOD Signature House Park Model RV. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.